Mid-December 1811, the quakes began, and they began by huge rumbling noises, flashes of light in the sky, at least that's what people reported, upwellings of water, huge waves, seismic waves that shook the earth, causing cracks to form. People living in the French and American settlements along the Mississippi River, people living in Shawnee and Delaware and Cherokee and mixed ethnicity American Indian settlements in the same places felt their dwellings shake and fall over. Livestock, domestic animals, wild animals roared, bellowed, chirped, flew, moved in confusion. In many areas, the water started rising above the ground, so people had to flee to higher ground. People smelled the smells of sulfur, right? We would now say that was rotting organic matter coming to the surface. And in one of the most dramatic manifestations of the quake, and one of the reasons that earth scientists around the globe know about these quakes, is that the high water table of the Mississippi Valley floodplain, when shaken by seismic waves, can cause sand underneath it to liquefy. So you can do this if you go to the beach, right, or any kind of sandy space near water, and you start scrunching your bare feet back and forth, and you'll find that what had been solid ground becomes liquid and starts squirting up between your toes, which is really cool if it's between your toes, less so if it is spurting up through a weak point in the clay overlayer and spurting up into the sky several or even dozens of meters high and then fanning out into a white cone of volcano-like deposit. So this is an image taken by a USGS or U.S. Geological Survey scientist 100 years after the quakes when he was investigating them. I often think of earthquakes, or at least I did before I started this research, as involving, the Earth. But in fact, they are an enormously powerful force on the continent's Great River, which before the Corps of Engineers got a hold of it was even larger and broader than it is in the current day.